How you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Doing all right. So anyway, Charles LeBlanc here, just came from court, and what we're going to do is just give you an update on what happened this morning in the courtroom. Now, this was different because I had three guys that showed up. No Irving media. I think the Irvings and the police are together. But anyway, that's another thing. Oh, I had to say this story. I had one guy that came, and then he was late. And he said, "My God, what happened to you?" He said, "You're not going to believe this." He drove, and he saw a cop, and then the cop waved, so he kept on going. I guess he took a left turn he wasn't supposed to. So the cop stopped him. Guess who it was? Rob Costello. Rob Costello that told my internet provider that I was exploiting children for sex. So anyway, you look at him, you made a left turn. The guy said, "You're probably going to shoot me for this, but I have to go and pick up Charles LeBlanc for court." Anyway, a guy, he didn't get a $172 fine, he got a ticket. But anyway, I found that funny. They say I make up these stories. Okay, so this morning, it just happened about an hour ago. I put my concern about the terrorist deformed have to pay $50 each for the cops to testify. The judge said, no, I don't have to cross-examine 17 police officers, that the four will be enough, and I only have 50 minutes each to cross-examine them. I mentioned the case of the cop arresting me on November 8th, that I was assaulted by two cops for the Edmonton Police Force, and they want to charge me under Criminal Code Section 300, and that was 3 months ago. We haven't heard nothing yet, and we should make sure that we got to find out what's going to happen with this case, because I told her this is the first time in history that a person sues the city or the cops. That's another story. And next thing you know, the cops are ordering your arrest on the street. Now, this guy, but this could set up a precedent. Well, who knows? But the thing that I'm happy here is there was 3 people there. They were observers, so they were taking notes. Like her, she has McManus Cooper, the law firm. She was there, and they're all whispering. She had 3 people behind her, all workers, all lawyers taking notes. Now, the only thing I have is the form of exploited children for sex. We'll see if a judge says, yes, welfare bums are allowed to be accused to be pedophile. That's what this is all about. But anyway, we will see. I think there's going to be another lawsuit coming soon. Again, I got to put the RCMP in the lawsuit also. But anyway, there's so many lawsuits. This could be settled in a couple hours. But Mike O'Brien, we got to go for court costs. And Mike O'Brien, our phony elitist Louis XVI mayor, wants to justify that I'm a pedophile. But that's another story. I'll go after consuls one by one right on the street. Okay, so but this is different here because there was 3 people taking notes. So they're gonna see their friends and they're gonna write what they seen, what they observed, and I'll put on the blog. Go to Google, write my name, Charles LeBlanc. We're supposed to have a trial on 2-day trial on March 12th, I think it is. I'm not even sure. Stay tuned. We'll see what's going on. Check the blog, and we'll leave it at that.